In the smoke-filled streets of 1880s London, the very air was a threat to the elegance of a lady's attire. Coal-brazed factories belched soot that settled on silks and bustles, turning fashionable silhouettes into drifting clouds of grime. The Emission Shielded Crinoline, or ESC, emerged as an ingenious answer to a problem that has largely vanished in our clean air age. Form: the ESC retained the iconic bell-shaped silhouette of the classic crinoline, yet its framework was constructed from a lattice of lightweight, perforated steel ribs sheathed in a matte-finished copper alloy. Between these ribs ran thin, pliable sheets of oiled silk canvas, treated with a proprietary anti-chlorine coating developed by early textile chemists. The outer layer was a draped skirt of dark, tightly woven wool, chosen for its ability to conceal any residual staining. Function: the copper lattice acted as a passive electrostatic shield, attracting and trapping airborne carbon particles before they could lodge on the external fabric. In practice, the ESC functioned like a walking air filter. The oiled silk canvas could be easily rinsed in steam, allowing the wearer to freshen the garment without a full wash, a vital convenience when laundering was a labor-intensive task. The design also featured hidden vents at the hem, enabling heat from body movement to disperse, thus preventing the dreaded stifling overheating that plagued layered Victorian dresses. Aesthetic: while undeniably utilitarian, the ESC did not sacrifice the spectacle of Victorian fashion. The copper ribs, polished to a soft vertigris, caught candlelight, casting a subtle luminescence that complemented the era's penchant for drama. Detail embossing of floral motifs along the lattice paid homage to the ornamental language of the period, turning a practical device into an object of visual intrigue. Today, the emission-shielded crinoline stands as a testament to a time when fashion was an engineering challenge as much as an artistic one. It reminds us that clothing once served as an active defense against environmental hazards, an invention that would be absurd, yet oddly relevant, if our cities ever returned to coal-smoked skies.